Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to add stickers to your favorites on WhatsApp. This feature is super handy because it lets you quickly access your favorite stickers without having to search through all the available ones every time. So, let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once it's open, go ahead and open any chat. This can be a personal conversation or a group chat. It doesn't matter which one you choose. Now, look at the bottom of your screen where you type messages. You'll see a sticker icon on the right side of the message box. Tap on that sticker icon. You'll see a variety of stickers, but we're going to create a new one. Tap on the Create option. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a photo from your gallery. Select an image that you want to turn into a sticker. WhatsApp will give you some editing options, like cropping or removing the background. You can also add text or doodles to your sticker if you want. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap Send to send the sticker to the chat. Now, here's the part where you add the sticker to your favorites. Tap on the sticker you just sent. You'll see a few options pop up, and one of them will be Add to Favorites. Tap on that and your sticker will be saved to your favorites section. Adding stickers to your favorites is a great way to personalize your chats and make them more fun. You can do this with any sticker you receive from someone else too. Just tap on the sticker in the chat, and you'll see the option to add it to your favorites. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your stickers and access them whenever you want. This feature is especially useful if you have a few stickers that you use frequently. So go ahead and give it a try, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.